Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain there are two kinds of statistical hypotheses, the definitions, a simple statistical hypothesis and composite statistical hypothesis. Okay, we have already discussed the statistical hypothesis. What is the procedure of, what is the need of testing of hypothesis, and why the testing of hypothesis is considered, etc. We have discussed everything, the definition. Now, the statistical hypothesis of two types: one simple statistical hypothesis, two composite statistical hypothesis. There are two types. You see here the definition, it's very clear. Simple statistical hypothesis is nothing but if a statistical hypothesis specifies the population completely, that is, the probability distribution is known, then it is called simple statistical hypothesis. It is very simple. So, which means in the simple statistical hypothesis, all the population parameters are to be given very clearly, specified clearly. Such kind of statistical hypothesis is known as a simple statistical hypothesis. For example, you see here X follows normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square. Then we can define H is H as a particular statistical hypothesis. H can be defined as mu is equal to 1200 kilometers and sigma square is equal to 2. Like that, if you specify the population parameters mu and sigma square, both the parameters completely, then it is simple statistical hypothesis. Similarly, for example, X follows a binomial distribution with parameters n and capital P, in which capital, that is H statistical hypothesis, is going to be defined as P is equal to 1/3 population proportion. Then it is called simple statistical hypothesis. The parameters completely defined, clearly defined. Okay, values of the parameter are specified very clearly. Such hypotheses are called simple statistical hypothesis. Come to that composite statistical hypothesis and the definition. It is also very simple. If a statistical hypothesis do not specify the population completely, then it is called composite statistical hypothesis. That is, if any of the population parameter not specified clearly, not given clearly, then it is such kind of statistical hypothesis is known as composite statistical hypothesis. For example, you see here a hypothesis, for example, in normal population, normal distribution, H, if you have considered hypothesis mu less than 20, then it is not clearly specified. It is less than 20, whether it is 19 or 18, we don't know. That is, it was not specified. It is less than 30. That's all. Then hence it is composite statistical hypothesis. For example, H mu1 greater than mu2. For example, H sigma square is equal to 2 and mu greater than 2. Even though sigma square specified clearly is equal to 2, but mu is greater than 2, then obviously it is nothing but it is composite statistical hypothesis. One parameter is not specified, and therefore these are called composite statistical hypothesis. Based on simple statistical hypothesis, composite statistical hypothesis, and also basing on the basic definition of statistical hypothesis. Statistical hypothesis are two kinds: null and alternatives. Null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis, which we discuss in another class. Thank you.